Just found another tool on the road here outside of Harbor Freight in the parking lot. Looks like a T27. Is that a giraffe? I don't know. Great neck. What is this, like a Cletus McFarlane tool? What? I've never heard of that. A giraffe picture, huh? Oh, I found your socket cleat.
I'd get it one piece at a time, and it wouldn't cost me a dime. You'll know it's me when I come through your town.